Last Wednesday, the U.S. Department of Labor announced that Taylor Farms, New Jersey, a vegetable processing subsidiary of bagged salad maker Taylor Farms, faces more than $1 million in fines following an inspection triggered by a workplace fatality in New Jersey. The investigation began in May 2025 after a worker was killed while cleaning a machine, and OSHA inspectors found 16 willful and repeated safety violations related to a lack of lockout tagout procedures and training during sanitation activities. The safety agency proposed $1,125,484 in fine. OSHA also hit PL Solutions Group, which does business as People Logistics, with 3 serious violations and penalties of more than $33,000. The on-site temporary employment agency was fined for failing to implement or train workers on lockout tagout procedures. No additional information on the accident was available, but according to OSHA's database, Taylor Farms subsidiaries in Kent, Washington, and Annapolis Junction, Maryland, have been fined following worker amputations. The company has also been fined for safety violations in Orlando, Florida, and is facing another investigation in North Kingstown, Rhode Island, after an ammonia leak hospitalized 13 people. IAN reached out to Taylor Farms and People Logistics. Neither immediately responded to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.